Good day. I'm Genesis C. Marquez from F1C, reading The Brutus Speech in the Forum by William Shakespeare. Romans, countrymen, lovers, hear me for my cause, that you may hear. Believe me for my honor, that you may believe. Censure me your wisdom, and awake your senses, that you may the better judge. If there be any in this assembly, any dear friend of Caesar, to him I say, that Brutus' love to Caesar was no less than his. If then that friend demand, while Brutus rose against Caesar, this is my answer. Not that I love Caesar less, but that I love Rome more. Had rather Caesar were living, and die all slaves, that Caesar were dead, to live all freshmen? As Caesar loved me, I weep from him. As he was fortunate, I rejoice at it. As he was valiant, I honor him. But as he was ambitious, I slew him. There is a tear for his love, joy for his fortune, honor for his value, and death for his ambition. Who is here so brave that he would not be a broadman? If any, I speak for him, I have offended. Who is here so rude that he would not be a Roman? If any, I speak for him, I have offended. Who is here so vile that he would not love his country? If any, speak for him, I have offended. I pause for a reply. None, Brutus, none. Then no I have offended. I have done no more to Caesar than you shall do to Brutus. The question of his death is registered in the Capitol. Thank you.